testosterone, we get the most, and I've been having a lot of fun talking about this out in the world. We get the most amount of testosterone at ovulation. So there's a reason for that. And it's not just libido. It's not just reproduce. At the core of a female body, whether you like it or not, our bodies are made to reproduce. And so testosterone comes in from day 10 to day 15 to not only increase our libido, so you'll probably notice that your sex drive goes up during that time, but our motivation and will also for new projects will go up, and our desire to make changes in our life often will go up. And so it's an incredible time during ovulation to start a new creative project, to do something that is going to move your life forward in a new direction. Change will do really well. You want to change at that time, because you have all those hormones there to protect you and assist you through that change. And that's really what testosterone does. So testosterone also really thrives with fasting. But if during ovulation, because you have those other hormones there, I want to make sure that you're not fasting longer than 15 hours. But a 15-hour fast will help upregulate testosterone.